Okay, hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I had zero intention of filming today. I was supposed to just work a one-day trip and I was like, I don't think anybody's gonna want to watch that. I was just gonna TikTok it and be done with it, which you can go ahead and follow me on TikTok and Instagram if you'd like, but I was just gonna TikTok the trip and be done with it. Except the trip has already gotten a little bit spicy. So on my way here, I was supposed to just work from Dallas to Columbus, Ohio, and then turn around and come right back home and be done. Tomorrow starts my reserve month, so this was gonna be the last trip of my line month, except on my way to the airport right now, my flight home canceled. And I called crew tracking and I was like, hey, my flight home canceled. It's the last flight of the day, so I don't know what you're gonna do. Which also, by the way, please excuse the henna on my hand. My hand is not dirty, I promise. I was in my best friend's wedding, so it's still coming off. But anyways, so I called them and I was like, I don't know exactly what to do. And they basically said, go to the airport as normal. We're either going to fix your sequence or reschedule you or do something. So they don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on, but here we are. Welcome back. We are at the Dallas airport, which by the way, I'm only packed for a day bag. So I didn't bring my makeup or nothing. I only have my straightener. I have one outfit to wear, one outfit to sleep in, my toothbrush, and that's it. So hopefully this isn't gonna get too spicy. I don't know what's gonna happen, but let's just enjoy it and head inside and check in. So I'm officially on the plane. I looked and our one day is now a 2-day. So basically we are going to overnight when we get to Columbus, and then after that we are gonna lay over. I don't know exactly how long it is, but we are taking the 8 a.m. flight back to Dallas. We're just deadheading, so our one day is now a 2-day. But I found my tripod, so at least we have that. Also, I am working the number 4 position today, so I am in the back, but I'm just gonna be working the cart back here, and that's it. Okay, welcome to Columbus, Ohio. So the flight here was absolutely smooth. Boarding was great, which was surprising. I was like, it was very easy. It was great. The flight was amazing. Like, I have nothing but good things to say. So we are laying over here for a whole whopping 11 hours. The hotel is very nice. I am not mad at it. And then we're gonna go get dressed and go downstairs to try to get food. There's not really much around us other than like McDonald's and Waffle House and such. So hopefully they'll have some good food downstairs. So I looked around for like one of the suitcase stands that you just like put your suitcase on, and I cannot find one. So we're gonna use the next best option and just go ahead and use this table. Okay, this is gonna sound very bizarre, but bear with me. There's no stand-up, like full-length mirror in here. And the reason it's bizarre is because every hotel I've ever been to always has a stand-up full-length mirror. And I know because I like to use it, I like to sit in front of it, do my makeup and all that, listening to music. And I'm looking around and I was like, there's no stand-up mirror in here. So that's definitely different. Not that I have a lot of choices on my one outfit that I brought with me, but I'm like, odd. It's just weird. But anyways, I am dressed and ready, so let's go ahead and go downstairs and get some food. So I went downstairs and picked up some wings, but they were actually closing up, so they only had a few items on the menu. But look how much food this is. So I guess let's go ahead and eat some food and then get ready for bed. Hopefully tomorrow is just our one flight and that is it, that we did head home, nice and easy. I have had some trips lately, like all my trips have been falling apart. So I would love a trip that just kind of hangs in there tight, stays together. I feel like I've earned that. Like, please, crew scheduling gods, I feel like I have earned that. So let's go ahead and eat and then we will get ready for bed and I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. It is far too early. I did not sleep well last night, so I am excited to just have the one flight, the one deadhead. I will say, not to throw a wrench in our plans, but Dallas is getting thunderstorms all weekend long, starting last night, and it's supposed to start thundering again and lightning today, an hour before we land. So hopefully there are no issues. Hopefully we just land, we get there, we run off the plane, and we are done with it. But like, I'm ready to check out. I need a good old nap. But I didn't bring much stuff, don't have my makeup or anything like that, so it's not gonna take long to get ready. Basically just gotta pack up the rest of my stuff, and then we will head out the door. Downstairs for breakfast, they're doing breakfast at 6:30. Shuttle pickup is 6:40, so we got about 10 minutes in there to play around. I'm not feeling very hungry, to be honest, but I love me a good old cup of joe. So I'm ready to go down there, get some coffee, and yeah, so that's kind of the plan for the day. So Hanson team, break.
When I was young, I thought control would lead me to an ending road, and heavy metal seemed to be the only thing that was for me.
Okay, so I'm pretty much all ready and packed up. I'm gonna do a last room check, make sure I have everything, and then we're gonna go downstairs, get some coffee, and get to the airport. I always try to do this to make sure I don't forget anything, especially the plugs. The plugs are like the #1 thing I'm like, don't leave, because I've also left what is it, the international converter before. I think that's like pretty much one of the only things I've ever left before, but always the plugs. Okay, so it looks like we're pretty good, so let's go ahead and head downstairs. So I am officially on the plane. We got to board early. I have a nice little exit row seat. So hopefully it's a quick, easy flight down. We are done. The weather did get pushed back, so a few hours, so it shouldn't be bad weather when we land. And hopefully we'll get off the plane and go home. Officially in my car. There was no manager. I hustled out of there. We were all the way at D1, and if you are familiar at all with the Dallas airport, D1 in that area is like all the new gates, but it's like way far away from everything else. So I was like hustling, but I'm finally back in my car. We're gonna head home. I did order something for this month of flying, so I'm excited to see if it's gonna be at the house yet or if I have to wait. But also I go back on reserve again tomorrow, so I'm good for 3 days starting tomorrow. So I didn't bid on too much. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna kind of roll the dice and see what happens. So I didn't really bid on a lot of trips. I'll probably take a look at it again in a few hours to see what's changed, what's still there, what's gone, and all that stuff. But I guess for right now, let's go ahead and drive home.
Hi. Hi, Mama. Hi. Hi, babies. Come here, baby. Bandit. Bandit. Come here. Come here, you crazy.
So I'm finally home and got changed. I also ordered some Thai food and it just got here and it looks amazing. This is a yellow curry with chicken, and it has like potatoes and peas and stuff with some steamed white rice. And then I also got a cucumber salad as well as some lo mein. So this is combination. So it has steak, which I usually pick around. I don't like steak, but it has steak, chicken, pork, and shrimp in it. So I just figured whatever's left over, I'll probably just take with me on my trip tomorrow. I don't know what I have yet. So right now it's only 12:51, so bids have to be submitted by 3, and then usually by around like 4 we find out our assignments. So I'm just gonna figure it out then, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video here. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up, press that subscribe button, and I will see you guys most likely tomorrow on my next trip. Bye.